Okay guys, you know what, I thought that this part will be too long, and yeah, I don't want you guys to be watching too long, and I will try to make it very short by using some Blender hacks, I would say, because normally now we would join everything together, which we will, but after you join them, so for example, let's select everything, and let's go to edit mode, but you can't because you have to deselect the empty. So let me deselect the empty. Oh my gosh, let's just go here and click on this one, so you'll not be able to select the empty. So now you can select everything, go to edit mode, and now you can see that everything is here and it looks awful. Yeah, here is everything, and now we have to place them correctly in places, and we have to give everything the correct texel density. So this should have the most, and the other parts that are not visible should have the least. But we will speed up this process, and by using some Blender tools. So first thing you have to do is join everything together, so we can apply every modifier. Okay guys, so here's a quick thing I have to say about what I said. Basically here now I said that apply modifiers, but don't listen to me and don't apply them now, apply them later. So basically now I will apply it because I'm stupid, but don't apply it. And the reason is that the same parts that I was talking about, the holders, those array that we had, I wanted to have the same UVs, and after I apply it, they don't have the same UVs anymore, and then I will unwrap it, and so they will be scattered around the texture, and we don't want that. So basically don't apply it now, just leave it and just follow my instructions, but just don't apply it. And I will come back later and I will tell you when to apply it. Just basically you should apply when I will apply the mirror modifiers. Yeah, so just a quick note to you guys. Yeah, so continue watching guys, so bye. So let's start for this one. Let's go to modifiers, let's apply array, and also apply simple deform. Then what else has a modifier? This also had a modifier, so we can not yet apply the mirror because we want to place it correctly first. Place the texels first, and let's see what else we can apply. I think for now nothing, only this part we applied. And let's now select everything, make sure everything is selected, go to edit mode and click on UV, and you should have this thing called average island scale. So it will basically scale everything relatively to each other. So this will okay, I don't know why it didn't work. Give me guys a second. Okay guys, so maybe first let's select everything and let's apply a scale to it, so everything will be the same scale. Now if you go to edit mode, let's see if it works. Yeah, now it works. Okay, so just apply scale to each one, because I think that it didn't have the same scale before. So make sure to select everything, apply a scale, and now we can go to edit mode if you select everything. And after we've done this, we can click on UV and click on average Iceland scale. So it will make everything have the same textile density, so you can see that the squares are the same. And now we can also use one more, which is called pack island, and it will pack our islands into the textile, into the texture that we created. And we can add a margin, a bigger margin to it. So yeah, 0.030 is okay. And I would say that we can leave it like this because it's already nice. Oh, I actually forgot about this part, you see. Okay, so select everything again. Make sure to have everything selected. Yes, everything selected. Why I can't? Okay. And now I have to do it everything again. Yeah. So double click A. Oh, this is now not selected. Why is it not selected? Ah, it is. It was selected. Okay, now make sure to select everything. And now I will speed up this because, yeah, average. Make sure to select everything also here. So click A to select everything. Average Iceland scale and pack island. And now it should be nicely packed. Yeah. So in the next part, guys, maybe let's now we can actually apply the mirror modifier. So okay guys, so here I am again, and yeah, in this place you can actually apply the array modifier and the simple deform modifier on that thing. So yeah, now you will have the you will have, because I will have it wrong, but you will have the correct UVs. So they will share the same UV space, and they will not waste any space. So yeah, so keep watching. This is also the end of the video, so see you guys, and goodbye. Apply the mirror modifier here and in the other parts too. So here also we can apply the mirror modifier, and yeah, that will be it, guys. I think this is everything, and let's save the file and see you guys in the next one, in which one we will make the floaters, so we can bake down the normals on this. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.